Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring a solar panel. A solar panel, if you purchase the Arlo digital cameras, this is a great item to upgrade them. So we're gonna set this up and see what you can do with them. And this is available now. It works for Arlo Pro, Arlo Pro 2, and then Arlo to Go. So you have multiple options here. And in fact, they should give you a quick setup in here, a lesson on it. And not only that, we're gonna set it up too. So let's take a look at it, see what you get when you purchase them with this. What I like about these solar panels, very simple. Not too much instructions in here required because they tell you exactly how to get the direction, the best approach to recharging your batteries on the actual camera. All right. It gives you a couple of timelines in here from December to June. Very simple. What directions to set them up for, and what's best approach to get the best out of your charging station. So the instructions are full of instructions how to set it up and how to plug it in directly to it. So just to make sure you do get a couple feet from the actual wire to the actual camera, so be aware of that. Make sure that it's not in a place where it's not going to be reachable. You know, you got to make sure you measure that first. So we're going to take a look at that. All right, so the solar panel is really simple. If you guys notice the connection, it's a USB, a micro USB, and of course you could charge other things on the solar on the go too. It won't give you the best charge, but it does work. It's made only for the cameras, of course, so the voltage is not going to be high as it is. They do give you the mount itself, and it's flexible. This goes actually to the wall, and this goes actually directional volume. To loosen it up, you're going to need a Phillips in here, and you could go up and down. That's pretty much what you can do. They do give you the actual screws, and they give you a drywall mount screws too. So very simple. This is going to be set up on a wood panel, so it's going to be simple to get some sunlight and direct it to the and get the best direction for the actual camera. So now the cable itself, it's about almost to 7 to 10 feet. It's pretty long, so you got a lot of extensions, and of course this is very simple. It just slides in there. That's pretty much how you control this, and just lock it in. So you lock it in. I'm not going to lock it in because I'm going to set it up tomorrow. I want to make sure I set this up first before I lock it in. Once it locks in, I could just manipulate this item to actually go up or down and get the best sunlight. So this is waterproof, water resistant. It's well secure. You guys can see all the screws are all well embedded in there, very light. It has an extra cover rubber in here, so there's no water penetration to this, and you can leave it in. Weatherproof is perfect, so it's going to last you quite a while, and it's very good, well solid made plastic in here, so it's going to last you many years to go. So let's go ahead and set it up. We're going to start setting up the actual solar panel on the top panel, so you're going to see it. I'm going to set it up on this side right here and get the best solar that we can. I was thinking about putting it in the back, but because the sun hits more on this side in the morning, it'll get more charge. So let's go ahead and set it up. In here, do facing up. We're going to tie these up right now. This off right now. There we go. So let's review this. You guys can see the cable underneath. It goes in there, charging. This is the cable, a cable management. The sun's gonna come out from that side. It's looking well. This is looking well. Cable management on that. Everything's looking good. Enough, and the camera's gonna be charging all day tomorrow morning. So simple setup. So a simple way of setting this up. It's very simple. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.